How to force start or reboot or reset your iPhone. So for that you have to follow this simple step and watch the video till the end. So very first step is that you have to force start or hard reset. So this is the method if you used your iPhone become unresponsive. So you have to quickly press your power button and the volume up button at the same time until the slide to power off menu appear here. And you have to slide the slider to the right to power off your device. And after a few seconds, you have to long press on your power button until the Apple logo appears on your screen. So this will restart your phone but won't delete any of the data and the data won't be lost. So the reboot option is, and on the number second you have to just go for the reboot option or standard reset. So this method is for a simple reset. So you can press and hold the side button which is like the same, and you can just slide to power off until the slider appear, and once your phone has been successfully turned off, you can just go and long press on your power button or hold the power button which is on the right side until the Apple logo appears and you can turn back in. So for the reset option or erasing all content or factory reset, be sure to back up your data first of all. And after that, go for your setting and tap on the general option and scroll down, go for the transfer or reset your iPhone. So if you want to reset your all settings, just go for the reset all setting and enter your passcode. So if you want to erase all content and setting, just go for the erase all content and setting. Tap on the continue option, just go for the erase your iPhone, and you have to just go and enter your passcode and Apple ID to confirm. And after that, you have to simply follow the on-screen instruction to reset your iPhone. After this, your iPhone will be wiped clean and you will now have to set it off as a new device. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.